Well, it has been months since I've driven this car. We got the clutch. Son of a bitch. Got the clutch issue fixed, I believe. Gonna take it for a test drive now. Didn't bring any GoPros. I wasn't even really expecting to get the car back today. They're saying it's done. Car's dead. I gotta go to work. It's dead.
Oh, battery?
Battery died.
How so?
We have a jump box?
It's a battery died.
All right. Let's try this again. Great success. This is pretty cool. All right, we're back. We're back, baby. Let's go, baby. Clutch feels good. I'm literally about to run out of gas. I'm actually about to be late for work. Not a great overall start to this, but that might be it for today's episode. We'll do a review later. We'll do a quick update. Hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get to work. It's never easy. I guess that's why I have a YouTube channel. Document the shenanigans. Gonna take a minute. Car's dead. Battery dead. I doubt that this phone is gonna stay put.